Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something exciting for all you barbecue enthusiasts out there. We're going to review the Master Cook 3-burner BBQ Propane gas grill, a fantastic addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal. This grill has been making waves in the market, and we're about to find out why. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews on top-notch products like this one. Now, let's talk about the Master Cook 3-burner barbecue gas grill. This propane-powered grill boasts some impressive features that set it apart from the competition. First and foremost, it comes equipped with 3 stainless steel burners that deliver a whopping 30,000 BTUs of heat per hour. That's perfect for quick and efficient cooking. The entire grill is built with durability in mind. It features a stainless steel control panel with a chromium-plated control knob, making it sturdy and stylish. Plus, it has a heavy-duty construction that's built to last. Need extra space for prep? No worries. This grill has 2 foldable shelves on either side, providing you with ample room for plates, cooking tools, and more. When you're done, simply fold them down to save space. Moving this grill around your patio or garden is a breeze, thanks to the 2 heavy-duty wheel casters. You'll love the portability it offers. The cooking area is generous, with 339 square inches for cooking and an additional 132.8 square inches for warming. The porcelain enamel wire cooking grates ensure even heat distribution for delicious results. It even comes with a built-in stainless steel thermometer on the cover lid, allowing you to monitor the cooking temperature with ease. Whether you have a backyard, garden, courtyard, terrace, or balcony, this grill is a perfect fit for any outdoor space. It's versatile and can be used year-round for all your outdoor cooking needs. Now, you might be wondering about assembly. Well, it's not too complicated, and most users find it manageable. In our case, it took us about 80 minutes to put it all together. Let's take a look at what some customers have to say about this grill. As you can see, customers appreciate the size, value, and performance of the Master Cook 3-burner barbecue gas grill. It's a great addition to any outdoor cooking setup. To sum it up, the Master Cook 3-burner barbecue propane gas grill offers a combination of convenience, precision, and eco-friendliness. With its user-friendly design, precise temperature control, and easy maintenance, it's a fantastic choice for outdoor cooking. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a reliable propane gas grill for your outdoor adventures, don't hesitate to check out the Master Cook 3-burner barbecue gas grill. You can find the link in the description below. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy grilling!